Hello dear students, welcome to the mathematics class. So here we continue the chapter areas related to circles. So in the previous class we have studied about the exercise 12.1 first main question. Now let us see third main question. So now what it is, figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions from the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. So 5 scoring regions are there. This is an archery target mark. So now the diameter of the region representing the gold score is 21 centimeter. So the gold region, scoring region, diameter how much is there? 21 centimeter. Then radius will become how much? 10.5 because half of the diameter. So next, and each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeter wide. Means this width is how much? 10.5 each. Now find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. You need to find the area of gold scoring region, red scoring region, blue, black and white. Let us see how to find. So here diameter of the gold scoring region is how much is there? 21 centimeter. Then radius will become how much? Let us write. Radius of the gold ring, which is equals to d by 2. So how much we will get? 21 by 2. So that is 10.5 centimeter. So radius of the gold region is 10.5 centimeter. Then you can easily find the what area of the gold region by using the area of the circle formula pi r square. So let us find that now. So first one, area of gold ring, which is equals to formula is pi r square. So which is equals to pi value is 22 by 7 into radius how much is there? 10.5 into 10.5 because r square is there. So which is equals to 22 by 7 into. So just convert these decimals in terms of fraction because it will become easy to divide or simplify this one. So I will write this one as 105 by 10 into 105 by 10. So just I have converted decimal into fraction because of easy for the simplification. Now here 7 ones are 7, 3 remain 35, 7 5s are 35. So here 2 11s are 2 5s are. Next 5 ones are 5 3s are. So multiply 11 into 3 33 into 105 you will get 3465 divided by how much? 10. So what is the answer of this one? 346.5 centimeter square because in the denominator 10 is there, just that is shift the point to the left side to 1 digit. So how much you will get? 346.5 centimeter square. This is what area of the gold region. Next, second one is area of the red region, which is equals to. So same, first find the area of the red region. Same formula pi r square. So pi r square. And here radius is equals to how much you will get? So here radius of the gold page is 10.5 and this width is 10.5. Totally how much you will get? Radius 10.5 plus 10.5 that is 21 centimeter. So radius is equals to 10.5 plus 10.5 that is 21 centimeter. So which is equals to now what we can write? pi value is 22 by 7 and radius how much is there? 21 into 21. So here it is now 7 1 7 3. So multiply 22 into 3 66, 66 into 21, you will get that 1386 centimeter square. So this is area of the red region. So total area of red region, this one means this is total. What we got now? Area of this total red region. But what we need here now? Only the red scoring region. Means only we need this much red scoring region. That is only we need red scoring region. So that how we will find? How we will find that one now? Just subtract area of gold region from the area of the red region. You will get area of the red scoring region. We got that now, area of the whole red region. But we need what? Just the scoring region of red. So for that, subtract area of gold region from the area of the red region. You will get area of red scoring region. Therefore, area of red scoring region, which is equal to, what is the area of the red region total? 1386 minus area of the gold region is 346.5. So subtract that, how much you will get? 1039.5 centimeter square. So this is what now? Area of the red scoring region. This is area of the total red region. Scoring region is how much? 1039.5 centimeters. Next, find the area of the total blue region. But in that also what we need? Only scoring region. How we will find that? Area of the blue region in that minus area of the total red region. You need to find. So let us see how that. Area of blue region. So which is equal to same formula pi r square. Next, in that radius equals to how much? So that is, this is 10.5. Next, this is 10.5. This is 10.5. So total how much you will get? 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5. So you will get that 31.5 centimeter. So here now find the area. Pi value is 22 by 7. Radius how much is there? 31.5 into 31.5. So which is equal to 22 by 7 into, just convert those decimals in terms of fractions. What we can write those? 315 by 10 into 315 by 10. So here it is 7 1 7 4 28, 3 remain 35, 7 5 35. So here now 2 11 2 5 5 1 5 9. So 11 9 99, 99 into 315. So you will get that 3118.5. Sorry, 31,185 divided by 10. Now you will get that 3118.5 centimeters square. This is what? Area of the total area of blue region. But we need area of blue scoring region. So what I can write another one? Therefore, area of So total area of blue region, how much is there? 3118.5 minus, in that subtract area of the total area of the red region. How much is the total area of red region? 1386. So 1386. So subtract those two, you will get that 1732.5. 1732.5 centimeter square. So this is what area of the blue scoring region. And next, similarly, we need black scoring region. For that, find the area of the black region total, and next subtracting that area of the blue region, you will get the area of scoring black region. Now next, area of black region, which is equals to pi r square. In that radius is 31.5 plus 10.5, because width is 10.5. So total how much you will get? 42 centimeter. So radius is 42 centimeter. So here now, pi value is 22 by 7 into radius is 42 into 42. So now 7 ones are 7 six are. So multiply this 22 into 6 into 42. You will get the answer 5544 centimeter square. This is what area of the black region total. But we need scoring region. So now let us write. Therefore, area of black scoring region, which is equal to total area of black region is how much is there? 5544 minus area of blue region. Total area of blue region, how much is there? That is 3108.5. So now subtract those two, you will get that 2425.5 centimeters square. 2425.5 centimeters square. This is what area of the black scoring region. Next, similarly we need area of white scoring region. For that, total area, find the total area of white region. In that subtract total area of black region, you will get white scoring region. Let us see how to find that now. Area of white region. So same pi r square, and here radius is 42 plus 10.5. How much you will get there? 52.5 centimeter. 52.5 centimeter. Now find the area. Pi value is 22 by 7 into radius. How much is there? 52.5 into 52.5. So which is equals to 22 by 7 into. So just convert those as a fractions. So I will write those as 525 by 10 into 525 divided by 10. So here it is 7 ones are 7 7s are 49, 3 remain 35, 7 5s are. So here 2 11s are 2 5s are, 5 1s are 5 15s are. So which is equals to 11 into 15 into 525. So you will get the answer 86,625 divided by 10. So the answer is 8,662.5 centimeter square. This is what total area of white region, but we need area of the scoring region of the what? 5. So how we need to find that one? Just subtract now. Area of scoring region or area of white scoring region, which is equal to, so total area of white region, how much is there? 8662.5 minus area of, total area of black region, how much is there? Total area of black region, that is double by double 4. You just subtract both two. You will get the answer as 3118.5 centimeters. So 3118.5 centimeters square. So this is what area of the scoring region of 5. So this is about the solution of third main question. We will see the next question.